Always hire people who are actually fans of you, fans of what you do, fans of what you want to take care of. It's very important because if you hire someone who's a fan of you, he did his research, he did something about you, he learned, he went and tasted this thing, he loved it, he is easy capture to grasp everything that teach you to do with your business.